This is our culture. Our culture at Phoenix Spine is patient-centric, from our nursing staff to the people answering the phones. It's no different.
There was no doubt in my mind where I was going to have my surgery done. You know, if you want personal care, if you want, a sterile, friendly environment with truly, one-on-one, there's no other choice. Phoenix Spine & Joint is amazing.
If you want the best, you have to go to an environment where only the best is done, and that's what we do here. We're looking for people who are delivering the very best care in the very best way using the very best technology.
It's a really, really rewarding part of my practice. Is the surgery's fun. I like doing surgery, but when I see patients back and they actually give me a heartfelt thank you for completely redirecting their lives, because what happens when you have a bum joint, especially if it's your hip or your knee, you rely on that to walk around. And you're talking about pain that's so significant that it becomes your day. And if you remove that kind of emotional anchor to a person, that physical barrier to being active again, and you allow them to participate back into their life the way they maybe have forgotten that they could, that's a big deal. It's a really big deal.